let's find the beat of this song.
I like your style.
Many hours later.
Oh my God. I think we found it. You hear that?
The what?
The
what? Now let's listen to the same in a different song.
Murdered my ego when you walked away.
Nice. Last one.
Okay, now we're gonna look for the snare sound. It can also sound like, or like, it's kind of a sharp or staccato sound.
Now I want you to either clap or snap when you hear the sound. Let's try this on every even number. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. One more time. Nice!
That's offbeat, that's offbeat.
So now we're gonna practice the same exercise to 3 different songs. Let's go.
Baby, kill 'em
And
all,
5,
press and
6,
pace.
7,
I
8.
got what you want, what you need. Baby, it's whatever, take the lead. I can see you blessed like a sneeze. Baby, kill 'em all, rest in peace, rest in peace, rest in peace.
Remember, focus on that sharp sound and forget everything else.
Make a move. Love ain't no science, I need no license. 머리서 내고 고민할 수만은 don't you
Last one. This one is gonna have a little spice, so watch out.
We'll bring it right back when we say, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're closer, give me the shivers. Oh, baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. When they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back into the car.
We just used 2 different elements of music, either the bass or the snare, to mark the rhythm. You can use these 2 sounds to find the beat for a lot of different kinds of music.
So we were just clapping. That's the easy part. The hard part is actually dancing on beat.
One of the reasons this is difficult is because the time in between the music markers doesn't change. But when you're dancing, you're doing different types of motions that all have to fit in the same amounts of time, meaning you have to use different amounts of energy in order to stay on beat.
So to practice staying on rhythm, we're gonna do one last little exercise, but doing a little bit of dancing. Let's go.
You're gonna start with any leg, it doesn't matter. We're gonna take a small step out and take a small step together. Small step out, small step together. Again, small out, together, out, together. Last time, out, together, and then we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna do a bigger step. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Big step out, together, out, together. Again, out, together, out, together. One more time, out, together, and good. So in order to practice staying on rhythm while we're doing different sizes of movement, we're gonna do an 8 count. So don't worry about counting, we'll count for you and you'll see it on the screen. We're gonna do an 8 count of small together, out together, small together, out together, big together, out together, big together, out together. We're gonna try this to the 3 songs we heard at the beginning of this video. Just follow along.
Baby, I like your style.
Small, small, and big. Let's go.
Grips on your waist, front way, back way. You know that I don't
Small.
play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm
And big.
away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT.
Small.
I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray,
And 5,
I pray.
6, good
That's why I
job.
need a one dance.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Start on 1. Small,
Ego
in
death is we can
small,
find
in
happiness.
small, and big,
That's the only place you find happiness.
and small.
Off too many drugs, it's so bad for us. One too many drinks and you had enough.
Last
Murdered my
time,
ego
small.
when you walked away. It hurt
Good
my
job.
ego when you walked away.
Last song, we're gonna start on the 1. Small, and big, and small, and big. Very good. So we talked about using the bass and the snare as music markers in order to stay on beat. And we did a short little exercise, but you definitely need to practice a lot more in order to master this skill.
But the good thing is that Steezy Studio's Intro to Dance program takes you through all the basics of dance in just 10 days, and you can get started completely for free. Click the link in the description to get started.
Jesse,
Play out!
Now this program is exclusively on Steezy Studio, so if you've come to learn to dance, you're definitely in the right place.